Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert your voice into text. Firstly, just click on this detect feature, and here you will see this blue color voice or mic icon, and once you say, everything will be written here like this. So this is the beneficial feature of Microsoft Office. If you need to type, so just you have to start your speech. Here you will see automatically written your speech, so you can convert your voice into text using this Microsoft Office feature. Just you have to click on detect. There are in settings some more options. You can change spoken language. You can change your microphone, and also you can enable auto function. Then click on save. Try again. Click on detect and try to speech. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.